so much for tuning in. I hope everyone's week has been incredible. Today I am talking about the things that completely ruin your outfit. Was anyone looking at that? Yeah, it totally ruined the whole illusion, right? Ugh, hanger tape, so annoying. This is at the top of my list. Get in there. And you know what the worst part is when you try and rip them and they won't rip. You're like, God, now I have to find scissors. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna talk about truly the things like that ruin your outfit. And this is also kind of a rant of things that just get under my skin when it comes to fashion. So I wanted to share them with you and see if you can relate or agree. Oh, and before we get into the video, I am doing a giveaway. I gotta show you guys. For those of you guys who don't know, I invented Top Tote, the hat holder, and you just attach your hat. So when you're traveling, honestly, you guys, it's a total life changer for hat wearers. When you travel with your hat, you don't have to carry it in your hand. You know what I'm talking about. So to enter to win, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. I included the link in the description below, and then tag your bestie. And it's international too, so it's open to everyone. And in 48 hours, we will announce the winner, and you and your bestie will get a Top Tote hat holder. All right, so good luck. Okay. Have you ever bought a new blazer and you've seen this little X tack stitch on the back? That is not an embellishment or something that you need to be walking around wearing. You need to snip that as soon as you wear your blazer. The only reason for that tack stitch is for shipping and transportation purposes, to keep those things tacked down during transit. That's it, because otherwise you have this X marks the spot right on your butt. And I have to be honest, I get it. It happens sometimes. One time I bought a new blazer and I put it on and ran out the door and I went into the bathroom and I was like, oh, I am a victim of my own fashion rules. So I wanted to show you guys the beautiful scarf my best friend gave me. It's cashmere. Isn't it so pretty? Right? I love it. Oh, are you only staring at the tag? Yes, because it is staring at you in the eyes. Right? Honestly, another thing that ruins your outfit, wearing a scarf with a big old tag. It reminds me of that Austin Powers movie where Austin Powers is looking at, I forget, and this guy, and he has a big mole and all he can think of is mole. I don't know if you guys have seen that movie, but that's what it reminds me of. You've got to snip that tag, whether it be with tiny scissors, or I have it in my hand, or a little seam ripper is really nice because you can be careful so you don't poke any holes in the delicate fabric. I truthfully feel like you don't need to know how to care for your scarves. I mean, how often do you wash your scarves? I mean, let's be honest. It's like, how often do you wash your bras? It's kind of like the same thing. I don't know if that's TMI. I would suggest hand washing and flat laying them dry, or if you're not sure, just go to your local cleaners and ask them how to care for it. Simple as that. And then that's the solution, so you don't have to walk around with this tag just staring at everyone in the face and ruining your outfit, right? Okay, let's talk about another annoyance that really goes up there with the dreaded hanger tape. It is tags. Tags on clothes. Now, Zara, for those of you guys who are Zara shoppers like me, they have the worst. Their tags are literally as long as scrolls. I'm reading a scroll with their tag. I don't understand why they do that. It is so annoying. Cut it. I hate to see a put together outfit and then you see this big old tag hanging out, whether it's below or you can see right through it, especially with a shirt like this that's black sheer. This tag just sticks out like a sore thumb and it really ruins the illusion of the outfit. Now, I understand that sometimes when you snip a tag, you have that raw edge that ends up being scratchy. I get it. So it just depends on your comfortability with it. I would personally rather have a little itchy, scratchy, although so annoying, I understand, than have this big old tag hanging out of the side of my outfit. So, ooh, and this is a bonus tip. When you're putting on something, you're like, what is the front? What is the back? I don't know how to put this on. Next time that happens, know that the tag inside is always on the left, and that is the left side of the garment. So let's just test. I haven't even checked this. All right, tag, left side. Tag, left side. I didn't even check this tag. Left side, see? Oh, I'm proving my point right now. Let's look at this. Tag, left side. Did you guys know that? The next thing that ruined your outfit is, can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? Hair ties. As a celebrity fashion stylist, I can't tell you how many times I would grab these off of my clients' wrists before they go on a red carpet or before a photo shoot. But truthfully, in your day-to-day life, who cares? Wear all the hair ties. Who cares? It might be your own fashion statement. I don't know. But I feel like for professional environments, especially if your work is really conservative, I just don't think wearing your bright pink or neon hair tie on your wrist is very professional looking, just my opinion. And then I also think if you're getting dressed up to go somewhere or a party or an event, this is really distracting and kind of ruins the illusion of the outfit. It just kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. So just something to think about, nothing too crucial. But for me personally, when I look at myself in a photo and I have like this hair tie and my cute little outfit, I'm like, damn it. And then, you know, I try and Photoshop it out. True story. Nothing will ruin your outfit quite like a horrific case of static cling. I got in a fight with my dress in New York. I swear it was coming up to my ears. It was like driving me absolutely insane. And I'm sure many of you guys know, all you have to do is take a dryer sheet, a fabric softener sheet, and just rub it literally all over, and that will make the static go away. There are some natural remedies out there too. I haven't found one that works for me personally. So if you know of any, please let me know in the comments below. It is absolutely infuriating, and I'm sure you guys agree. So I think that is my rant for now. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Make sure to click the link below and tag your bestie in the comments, and you might win. It's international too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, I would love for you to subscribe. And I gotta go. I'll see you next week. Mwah, 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 mwah.